So good afternoon everybody. So today we are going to learn about operating system process control block. So we know that every operating system uses a process control block to represent the task. So every process in the operating system is represented by a process control block. So this process control block, it contains many information associated with the specific process. These informations include the state of the process, the contents of the program counter, the status of the CPU registers, and the CPU scheduling information, as well as the memory management, the accounting, and the input-output in status information. So what is a process state? So in the last video we have seen that a process passes through many states throughout its life. That is, it can be in a new state, the ready state, running state, or a waiting state. So we have seen the states of a process. So it is the process state. The program counters, we know that it contains the address of the next instruction to be executed. So it is the program counter. And the CPU register. So we know that there are many CPU registers, the accumulator register, the index register, the stack pointer register, general purpose register, the program counter registers. So how many registers a particular system has, it depends on the architecture of the particular computer system. That is the CPU registers. Next, scheduling information. So this scheduling information consists of the priority assigned to a process, or the pointers assigned to the scheduling queues, or any other scheduling parameters, includes the CPU scheduling information. Next, the memory management information. So the memory management information, it includes the base address of the memory, the maximum size of the memory, the last address, base address, and the last address of the memory, the limit, page limit, the memory tables, and the page tables. The accounting information. So this accounting information includes the amount of CPU used and the real time used, how much of the CPU was used during the real time processing, the time limits of the CPU, the certain job, or the process numbers. It also consists of the input-output status information. So input-output status information, it consists of a list of input-output devices that is allocated to a process and a list of open files, etc. So all this includes the process control block. So a process control block gives us all this information about a particular process. Next, the threads. So what is a thread? We know that a program can consist of many processes, and for each process a thread is associated with them. That is what is threads. So a thread is associated with each process in a program. So a single thread of control allows the process to perform only one task at a time. It means that at a single time, at an instance of time, a thread can perform only one process. So there can be many threads that can be associated with a process. For example, when you consider running a spell checker and typing, whenever we are executing a spell checker program and we cannot do the typing at the same time. So that is both threads cannot execute at the same time. So that is what is threads. So thank you. I hope that you have all understood what is the process control block, what are the information contained in the process control blocks. Thank you.